crank.
This one looks good. Damn. This looks like one too. Sick. Sick dudes. I like the 58 was up there right there. 58 too. So the new problem that I'm dealing with is what I learned when you trace back to from this harness. These sensors go right here, 1, 2, and then this traces back to the transfer case. Let's see what we can get. Got extra $2.03 and goes to the other section. There's one over there. So I'm gonna try that one out right now. Damn, that shit crazy. Got my headlight harness off the V6. Everything's the same with the headlights. Got my headlight so far harnessed, and then I got my hood latch off the hood. I think that's about it. Let's check a few more wires, see if there's some more out here. San Diego freeways. That deal look crazy. Yep, see, this is the main piece I remember seeing. I'm gonna pull it out. Yep, that's the main. Oh, yep, see, this is.
Oh, we even got the impact sensors on there.
That's what
I got an LS2 sitting right there that we're putting in a Silverado, and I think he's coming in next week.
That's sick.
Putting the LS2 in the Silverado for him back, and then we did a cam and stuff for him, and
Yeah.
he was out on the highway racing a Porsche,
Yeah.
and I think he went from third. He said he was shifting from third. I think he went from third to second and over revved it, and he tapped the valves.
That shit looks sick.
So I got this all torn down now. The heads are up at West Coast Cylinder Heads up by you.
Yeah.
He does all our head work. They're really good up there, West Coast Cylinder Heads.
Yeah, that's cool. You said it's another ZL one, right?
This is a 1LE.
Oh, okay. Carbon fiber.
Everything's carbon fiber on it, yeah.
Dang, that's nice, man.
That was when it was stock still, but now it's got 100% wrap on it and all the gloss. The project. We have all the steel panels for a coupe too at home for a Roadster.
Yeah.
So some of the renderings, the draw blower on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we took that off. Now it's got a 2300 heartbeat blower on it now. It's at about 700 horse. Just changing the blower.
Sheesh. Magnuson. That thing's nice. Oh, they all come with that scoop on the hood like that?
Yeah, it's part of and it actually acts as downforce too. As the air comes through and over the hood, it acts as downforce.
Yeah.
Because a standard SS Camaro like that,
Yeah.
at 150 miles an hour, they have 200 pounds of lift trying to lift the car off the ground.
Wow.
A ZL1 at 150 miles an hour has like 60 or 65 pounds of downforce. And then the Z28 with the extra ground effects they have, that has 150 pounds of downforce.
Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, that blower is sick. You dynoed it yet?
No, we figure it's about 700 at the crank, so it's probably right around 6 at the wheels, maybe a little lower. It's a stick, so there's not a lot of drivetrain loss.
Yeah.
So, and that's just on pump
beast.
gas and, nothing crazy.
Damn, I for sure thought you have an E. So I just made it back to San Diego. Got my complete chassis harness. This is the one that was cut off of mine. You can see, chop that off. Which blocks the box belong to right here, the wires. You see, still connected. Perfect. And we got the headlight harness this goes to. This one goes to here, and so on. So we're cool now. It's a new day because I got the body harness. I'm gonna clean all this up, put the new chassis body harness, take this headlight harness off, put the new one. You can see all this stuff is like cut up. About to switch everything out, clean it up, get this thing going. So this is the full chassis harness, front to back. Already started working. You have to take off all the body bolts. Well, I did right here. Took off like all 1 to around like 10 or 8. The harness goes all the way down here. I just dropped the gas tank to get to like one more wire down there. But yeah, it's not that hard. Almost finished. Coming along good. So that is a new one right here. And that is the old one. I can put this one on here now. This is the old one. No, I'm tripping. This is the new one. Yeah, this is the new one. This is the old one. This should cut. I can put this one on here. Just gotta. The hardest thing that I dealt with was like a sensor on top of the gas station. That goes on. So I completely got the chassis harness on here. Got on there complete. I also had the bolts from the junkyard for the whole front end. So finally get the hub, all this stuff locked and secured. But yeah, this is the chassis harness. It's not cut. Everything's on here perfect. Got that going down perfect. Also, it goes down the K member and goes to that passenger wheel. That's why I haven't put the motor in yet. This is the hood link. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Beyond tired. Also got the headlight harness on here. No cuts. Everything is here. So everything working smooth. Still clean. Last couple parts I'm gonna put together. Show you under the car. So that's the harness. That's the ground for the harness. Everything's pretty much done. So tomorrow